Hello everyone and welcome to our short course video to get you on the IP fabric track quickly and start operating a platform like a pro. Today, we will have a look at how to find undiscovered devices. And again, why these questions arise so many times. So let's have a look. Here we have the snapshot, which is containing about 639 network devices. And the question is simple. Are there more devices that can be potentially discovered and how we can spot them with IP fabric? I think that the best place to look at is technology, interfaces, and connectivity matrix, and I will tell you why. In the connectivity matrix, there's an inner tab that is called Unmanaged neighbors detail. And it's telling us what? It's telling us, for example, this device is over this interface, for example, seeing a neighbor IP 10.1.1.2 through the OSPF protocol. The thing is that this IP address hasn't been discovered, or it belongs to a device that hasn't been discovered, and it's not contained in the snapshot itself. Starting the version 3.2, you have a little intent rules at the top, which are covering the basic protocols. So the blue is telling us that there are potentially other neighbors that can be discovered or that can be seen through the BGP protocol that are not discovered. The yellow one is telling us that there are some devices that can be potentially discovered over IGP protocols like OSPF, ISIS, and more. And the IP addresses that we see belong to the devices that are not in the snapshot. I think that the most important part is the CDP protocols, because when you have the devices that are communicating one to another over the CDP protocols, they are very likely, or they should belong to the same domain, which means that they should be discovered. So let's say here is the host name, L39 AC107. Through the interface ET0/3, there's an IP address 10.39.4.102 that we register through the CDP protocol. Now, what does it mean? When we click on that, we get more details. So it tells us there is a router. Again, this is the information we receive through the CDP protocol. And this is the hostname that we receive through the CDP protocol, which when you look at our hostname and the hostname of the device that we didn't discover, they look very alike. So that can be our device. Now, why we couldn't discover that? So we take the IP, we copy that, we go to the discovery snapshot, connectivity report, we paste and search. So the reason why we couldn't discover the device was authentication error. So we definitely tried and we failed to authenticate. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.